Hey guys, it's Jennah. So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to glow up within the span of 48 hours. And the only reason why I need 2 days to do this challenge is because there's a lot of things that I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to go through the list of things I'm going to be doing in this video. At least I think I'm going to be doing. I don't know if I'm going to do all of them. Hopefully I do. But the first thing is hair, nails, eyebrows, spray tan, drink lots of water, get good sleep, do a face mask, and new clothes. I'll be bringing you guys along with me during the entire challenge, and anything that I do in the challenge, if I complete it all, we will see. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure to head down, go subscribe, turn the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a brand new YouTube video. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, I'm currently on my way to my hair appointment and I just went and got my Starbucks. We're just gonna wait until we get on the highway because people are just gonna keep staring at me and making me feel very uncomfortable. So I wanted to wait until I got off the highway just because I felt like it was pretty loud. So we're back. I'm gonna insert a picture of the length that I'm kind of going for. It's gonna be short to medium length. It's gonna be, I think it's called a long bob, I don't even know. And then I'm gonna be getting layers. And the last time I had short-ish hair was in 8th grade, and then I've been growing my hair out ever since, and then I've just been getting trims here and there. So I'm excited, but I'm also nervous. I just hope I like it, and I hope it turns out good, and I think it'll be good for me because for one, my hair will be a lot healthier, and for two, it's good to have a change. And then I'm not gonna be doing too much with the color. I know that she's gonna be putting darker color on my roots because it's the winter time and my hair gets pretty dark in the winter. I'll try to insert a few clips of her doing my hair and the process of it, and here they are. What's up guys? So I'm done with my hair appointment and I am happy with how it turned out. She did put darker at my roots so it would match my eyebrows more, as I said I think before, and then I got a lot chopped off. Like I feel like it looks longer on camera, but it's really short for me because my hair has always been super long and I've only ever gotten trimmed. I was very iffy about the length that I wanted to go for, and part of me wanted to cut my hair short and then another part of me wanted it to still be long, and so I kind of did the in-between because I feel like if I were to go shorter, my hair would start like curling up and I just don't think that's cute, and then I have to put heat on my hair and straighten it and all that good stuff. So I think this is a good length for me, especially if I want to go shorter. I can go shorter eventually, but I think it's good to just take little baby steps, you know, so that's what I'm doing. I don't think I'm gonna ever go short past my shoulders though, even though some people can pull that off. I personally don't think I can pull short hair off because last time I had short hair like that was in 5th grade after I donated it, and I just did not look cute with it. But then again, that was before I hit puberty, so I look very different compared to that. But anyways, I will continue this video when I do something again.
Your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby.
Alright guys, ignore how I look right now. This is in the process of me glowing up, but I just booked my eyebrow appointment like 10 minutes before my eyebrow appointment even is, which is at like 5, and it's 4:55 right now. I just got here. I literally just need them cleaned up. I've gotten them before, so they're kind of shaped, but they don't look good up close. So we're gonna go fix that, and yeah, but they're not even that bad right now. It's just I need them cleaned up, and I could really just do them myself, but I'd rather have them threaded because, yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna go in there and get them done. I am now home and I did get my eyebrows done, and I was gonna film in the car, but it got really dark out, and then I had to come home and go to volleyball, so it was just all over the place. But I am back home now and I showered, and that's why my hair's wet. And then I actually did fill in my eyebrows a little bit and I shaped them, so that's why they look like this, but they turned out really nice. I was gonna bring my camera in there, but there was just a lot of people in there and not trying to put myself in that situation, so I just did not bring my camera in there. There's only a few more things I have to do in this challenge, but I'm gonna continue them tomorrow. But I'm also filming another video tomorrow, so I'm just kind of all over the place because I have a ton of videos planned out. Anyways, I will see you guys once I film again. Alrighty guys, it is the next day and I just got back home from my photo shoot for IMTA, and that's why my hair and makeup looks... So in today's part of the video, I'm gonna do a little workout and then I'm also gonna do a self-tan. I'm gonna go get changed and go downstairs and do a little workout, and then I'll insert a little montage. And I never work out either, so this is like very rare for me. Usually I just play sports, so that's my workout, but we're gonna work out for once, so here we go. What is up guys, I am back and I'm about to go get ready to do my self-tan, and I actually forgot to exfoliate before like yesterday. So I'm gonna put my self-tan on while my skin is basically dry, but it's okay because my skin's not too dry. So besides the point, I'm low-key really not in the mood to self-tan, to be honest, because I haven't done it in a while. And I used to go, it was I think it was like a month straight that I would constantly do my self-tan. I think it was in May, maybe. I'm not even sure when it was when I did my self-tan, but I would almost do it every single week. And I was just in this certain thing where I was like, okay, I need a self-tan, blah, blah, blah. I would usually do it on like Fridays, so then over the weekend after I shower and then before I go to school, it would look normal. But besides the point, I'm gonna go do my self-tan. I'm gonna insert like a little montage of me doing it, and yeah. So hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully it does not turn out bad. But I need to go wash my face and take off my makeup, and then I'm gonna get right to it. Alrighty guys, ow. I'm gonna re-put up my hair, and then I'm gonna start self-tanning. And the self-tanner that I'm gonna be using, hold on, I'm gonna pause my show. The self-tanner that I'm using is the one that I've been using for a long time, which is just the St. Tropez self-tan, and it's just the classic mousse. And ignore how I look right now. I'm about to go to bed. I just washed my face and I'm super tired because I've been up since like 6 a.m. today, so, and it's like 1 a.m. I've almost been going to sleep at like 2:30 every single night, and it's just not good and not healthy. So I need to get on track with getting my sleep schedule back on track. Anyways, I'm gonna put my hair back up and then start my self-tan. And I'm not putting it on my legs because like this time of the year I pretty much just wear pants, so not gonna waste my self-tanner. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face and then on my arms and be good to go. Alright, my camera just died, but what I was about to say was that tomorrow I'm going to show you guys the end product, and I'm not going to look like this, and tomorrow I'm going to like do my makeup and like get some good sleep, and tomorrow is just going to be a better day. Tomorrow will be the final result, will be the day that I just like pull everything together and glow up. So also, I don't know why I look like this right now. I just need to go to sleep and hope that I wake up looking better. But yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, it is the next morning, and my self-tan on my face, it looks better in person. It really does not look any different on camera, but my arms definitely do look tanner. I did not do the best job just because it was late, and I didn't put that much on because I'm not trying to look orange. I'm just gonna do my regular makeup routine that I usually do on a daily basis, and I'm probably going to be filming a new updated makeup routine just because I've switched up a ton of my products and it's just different compared to my last one. But if you want to watch my last one or my homecoming get ready with me, I have makeup tutorials in those. I'm not really a beauty guru here though, so after I finish up doing my makeup, I'm going to take the after picture and then I'm going to show you guys the difference, and I'm gonna get into doing my hair, makeup, and also I got some new clothes that came in, so I'm gonna be changing up my clothes, and a haul will be coming soon. Probably the video after you see this will probably be my next haul. But I got a ton of new clothes, shoes, literally just all the above, and that'll be coming soon. Anyways, I'm just gonna get right into doing my makeup. in from doing my makeup. Everyone's always wondering what mascara I use, and I've been using the L'Oreal Telescopic and the CoverGirl Clump Crusher since like I started wearing makeup, so I just always stick with those. I used to always use the Benefit Roller Lash, and I stopped using that because it's like $30 for a thing of mascara, while these ones are like cheap, you can get from the drugstore. So yeah, there you go if you were wondering. Alrighty guys, I just finished up my makeup and I just kind of brushed through my hair. I'm not really gonna do too much with my hair because I just don't feel like it. And the last thing I need to do to complete this challenge is to just switch up my clothes, so. Anyways guys, that just completes this challenge, and everyone let me know down in the comments how I did, if I glowed up, if I glowed down, let your girl know. Or if I just stayed the same. I probably just stayed the same, probably not changed that much. Let me know down in the comments if I look better now than I did in the beginning of the video. Personally, I think I do, because in the beginning of the video, I was just a wreck and my hair wasn't done. I was just kind of all over the place. I will also put the before and after picture on the screen, which will also be in the thumbnail, and here they are. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and remember to comment down below if you think I glowed up or if you think I look better than I did in the beginning of the video. All of my social medias will be linked in the description if you guys want to go check any of them out or follow me. They'll be down there for you. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video. So bye. 360-degree reality, sunset beach. I don't need HGTV.